We're Aaron and Todd. We were recently married, and this video marks the beginning of our honeymoon adventure as we fly around the world. It begins with a $27 flight from Virginia to Paris. Come along in Paris. Happy, happy day. It's travel day. Travel day. Woo! February 2nd, 2024. Michaela's here to take us to the airport, talk to the mic. Let's go around the world, y'all. Adventure, adventure. Got all the bags in tow. So we got level 8 in the house, wandered. We're gonna give these bags a go, take them around the world and see how they do. How's it going, y'all? Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go to Charlotte. Hopefully we'll get in the lounge in Charlotte and then maybe get a snack or something. There we go. Thanks, you too. Hey, there's our buddy. We're back. We're going on our honeymoon. Paris, Morocco, Italy, Australia. Athens, Bangkok. 2.5 weeks. Thanks, take care, bye. Our growing YouTube channel is about travel, travel hacking, and van life. And through our journeys, we hope to inspire others to get out of their own backyards, see the world on the cheap, and sometimes free. Let's go to Charlotte. All right, so just got on the plane here in Lynchburg. We're getting ready to head to Charlotte, and then we'll board our flight for New York. Well, for some reason, we're taxiing to the other end of the runway, and we're taking off north instead of south. It helps when you hit the record button. Just starting our descent down into Charlotte. We just had snack service, beverage service come through on this quick regional flight on the Embraer 145. I would do a bathroom review on this on this plane, but it's tight back there. So I'm just gonna stay in my seat and we'll do the loo reviews for the other planes. But yeah, not bad for a $27 flight to Paris, 22,500 American Airlines miles, and $27 in taxes. Lynchburg, Charlotte, JFK, Charles de Gaulle. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel for more travel tips and how to travel the world cheap using credit card miles and points. Welcome to the Queen City, Charlotte, North Carolina, where the local time is, I don't know what, 12:09. And I gotta pee. Go figure. We're skipping the elevator, and we're gonna go up the steps. One of the lovely perks of the Centurion Lounge. Drinks. Oh God, that's strong. That's good though. Oh, it's sour. Oh, I guess that's why it's called a whiskey sour. God. I am digging this tofu. This is what I tried to make that damn chicken taste like. I failed miserably. Honey, I don't know that I'm feeling this drink. It's very sour. It's called a whiskey sour. So here on our next flight, here in Charlotte, headed to JFK. I gotta get some airflow because it's hot. There they are loading the bags onto our 2-hour flight. So before we get underway today, leave us a comment down below. When you fly to New York, do you prefer to fly into JFK or LaGuardia? Or Newark? I guess we need to consider that one as well.
Our flight to New York's JFK Airport today, 1 hour, 18 minutes once we left off the runway. We've got nice weather around Charlotte Airport and mostly en route once we begin our ascent to Kennedy. You do have an outstanding group of flight attendants in the cabin today. Please remember that they are my representatives and the primary responsibility is for your safety, so I appreciate you following the instructions they have for you.
What are you doing? What's on your coat? Icing.
Oriental, please flight attendants secure the cabin for departure.
So we're up to cruise, and it's a little bumpy, but they came through with the in-flight service, and so I've got some Woodford Reserve. Aaron got a Tito's and vodka, and yeah, the flight's just a little bumpy, not too bad, but they've had to sit down and stop service. But luckily, since we're in row 10, we got it from the jump. All right, welcome to NYC, y'all. Made it to JFK. Headed to the bathroom. So this is not the plane that we're going on, but this is without a doubt the biggest airplane I have ever seen. So we've got 45 minutes on the ground here in New York, and then 6 more hours in the air. There's people, kind of gives you a scale. Next time we stand on dirt, it's going to be in Paris, France. Ah! How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. 25. We're C.
6th Street.
Yep, thanks. How does this thing pull out?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard our flight to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport.
We are just over Boston. We're about 30 minutes into the flight. They've just started dinner service. It smells really good. Chicken with rice or pasta.
Chicken.
So maybe we should get one of each.
Would you like chicken with rice or pasta with kale?
Rice. And I'll do the other. Okay, here it comes. Let me put you guys down. Yeah, so we got chicken and rice, some kind of little salad, a little water, looks like a biscuit, some EVOO. Oh, some brie.
Swiss cheese.
Oh, Swiss cheese. Okay. Some butter and a little bar of some kind.
Sea salt caramel bar.
Sea salt caramel.
Fudge brownie.
Fudge brownie. Okay. Oh, it's a whole lot going on here. We got more drinks coming. Oh, shoot. We've traveled 314 miles, about 30 minutes into the flight. We are going at 597 miles an hour. Outside air temperature is negative 56. All right, I'm gonna get this food unwrapped and see what this drink service is all about. All right, well, dinner is served. Look at this little spread we have going on here. We've got pasta with mushrooms something, spinach something. They hooked us up on some drinky drinks. Aaron's got a nice little spread going on over there. I don't know if I should eat this olive oil. But this is like some kind of brie. It's like Baby Bell. Yeah, so let's dig into this. Oh yeah, it's spinach with like some kind of little tomato sauce. It's nice and warm. That's good. So one tip that I can tell you guys is when you are flying on long haul flights like this, well, I don't know if this is really long haul, but if you have the option to pre-purchase your food, if you order a special meal like a vegetarian meal or gluten-free, or you have like dietary restrictions, your meals come out first ahead of everyone else. Like this, all this food was included in our flight. We did not have to pay extra. I mean, we paid $27 for this flight, let's be real. But for all the other people that are on this plane that paid full price, this was not extra, this is included. So currently we're flying over Halifax, Nova Scotia. Shout out to some of their YouTube friends, Tyler and Todd, from their channel. If you guys have not watched Tyler and Todd's video, they are a couple that live in Nova Scotia.
Anything else to drink? One more Jack? Okay.
Ooh.
It's got it. Well,
They're so nice. How about that? We're like celebrities. Okay, so it's after the food. Let me get some light here. I just need a bright screen. There we go. Everybody's kind of stretched out, taking naps. I need to go pee. Aaron needs to go pee. We're gonna start a new series on this trip. We're gonna call ours Bathroom Confessionals. I brought with me my trusty blacklight to see if people are naughty in the loo. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, well, here we are in the loo review. Blacklight. But I don't think I can turn the lights off. Well, I mean, it's your standard airplane bathroom. You've got a toilet flusher there, baby changing station there, sink with some very nice, smells very fresh, very nice soap. Toilet paper. I mean, you can't cuss a cat in this bathroom. But if I do this, yes. Well, probably pee splatters. Oh, well, the bathroom's clean. Let me get back to my seat. It's a little bumpy. How do I get out of here? Cool.
Anticipate landing in approximately 30 minutes. It's 5:45 local time. After a 10-minute taxi or so, we plan to arrive just before the hour 6 o'clock, while ahead of our scheduled arrival time. On behalf of all of us at American, thank you for flying with us this evening and morning from New York. Hope you enjoyed the trip. We appreciate your business and we wish you a very pleasant.
Okay, guys, on the ground, CDG, headed to customs, I guess. Sortie. Paris. Vous, Amy.
Good morning.
What do you have to say about Paris customs?
Amazing. Love it.
The rest of the world needs to do it the way they do it here in Paris. That was the quickest and the easiest. You scan your passport, you walk into a little thing,
Scan your face.
and then the lady's on the other end to give you a stamp. And then we're gonna catch the train and go to the Hyatt. See if they'll let us get into our room early. All right, getting ready to get dirty in Paris, leaving the secure area. Oh.